Okay, cheap tip today. These old GM lock and window switches, they get worn out after a while. Actually, they last for a really long time, but they get worn out. So when they get worn out, these become loose. So what you do is, this is what I do. Take a loose the back. Small. You need a small, like, flathead, tiny, because you don't want to break this tab across here. So you take that. Oh shit. Try not to do that. They're old and brittle, so be careful. Okay, you want to clean these contacts up before you put it back together, but basically you just want to stretch these out so it looks like that. Then you want to pop it back in. Like I said, try not to break these on the side, because if you do, you break both. Chances are you're gonna have to JB weld it in. And of course you can clean these up. These are old, but now they're tight again. Just my tip, cheap tip.